Hello everyone, we'll be making a Santa Claus. Take a green color paper like this and put the Santa Claus theme over it. Take the tissue paper like this and tear it to make its beards. Now fix it like this to make its hat. Now take the paper sheets, tear it like this and make its beards like this. Make its eyes, mouth. Now make some cute drawings inside it like this and it's ready. Next, we'll make a Christmas tree. Take a green color paper and roll it like this. Cut it from the sides, fix it properly, make the frills by cutting it out. Put the double-sided tape on it. Now roll it around the tree to cover it like this. Decorate it if you want. Make the branch of the tree. Now take a cylindrical object to make its branches and it's ready. Next, take the frills of the paper like this and paste them to make the Christmas tree. Put the star, make its branches, decorate it and it's ready. Next, take the dustbin like this or an empty box. Now you can color it using different colors. Here we have taken blue color like this and then color it using the brushes. Fill it properly as shown in the video. Apply the lighter shade of the blue and white on the downside. Make the touch-ups on the upper side. Now take a brush and put the green color like this to make the Christmas tree. Give the shades on the sides. You can color it if you want like this. Make it look professional. Decorate the Christmas tree. Sprinkle some white colors around it. Make the snowflakes and your Christmas tree is ready. Look how beautiful it's looking. Next, we'll be making a snowflake like this. Take a white color paper, fold it as shown in the video. Fold it in the same manner as we are folding. Now draw the lines over it like this. After that, using a scissor, cut it properly, cut it out and your snowflakes is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a beautiful Christmas tree or a Merry Christmas hanging like this. Take the straw, cut it like this and make the prints on the white sheet. Use different colors to color it like this. Decorate it using the earbuds. Take yellow and red color and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.